play this actual song, and now it is here live, and it's even better.
Förutom allt skrot så är han ju en trevlig kille, egentligen. Utan allt skrot, utan allt smink, utan allt sånt där, så är vi ju alla trevliga människor, egentligen. Och det är därför vi är här.
Normally this place would be crowded at this hour in the morning, but it's the Swedish National Day today, so most people are off. Finally there! I'm in Gothenburg. So what am I doing here? Well, tonight the project Rätten, identitet, Right to Your Identity, will hold a concert night or a mini festival, and there will be great bands playing, and well, I'm going to help. All the excess from the event will be donated to the Sophie Lancaster Foundation. This looks like so much fun. Have you tried it? Tell me. This is Emily.
Hello!
What are we up to?
We're going to get some food.
But why are we here?
Why are we here? Well, I don't know. No, we're here for the RTSI event, Make a Noise in Gothenburg.
Making a noise in Gothenburg.
Woo!
Okay.
That's a noise.
That's a noise. I've finally been of use. Been shopping to make coffee for the artists, and well, right there is the venue tonight. And I can hear that the sound check is already going on. I'll show you around.
Nästa sång, kör Broken Beat. Nu är 4.
Are you working the bar?
Yeah, for once.
They're having the sound check now, and they have some reinforcements. It is now 10 minutes left, and I can see that there are already some visitors sitting on the other side of the road waiting for me to let them in. Done. It was great. I think that people are a little bit afraid of the stage though. Or they're just hanging out in the bar. Maybe that's the case.
It's good. All is good. I'm just afraid for the poor audience's ears.
Instead of candy rain from the stage, you will have like earplug rain.
Earplugs, tror jag. Oh yeah! Exactly, instead of bananas like they had in Japan.
We should do that, it should be a fun.
Yeah.
Bananas.
Okay, yeah. It's like 5 minutes until it's time to be on stage.
Vi väntar här, så säger det.
So there are like only a couple of minutes until the next act, which is...
Hello, we are Status Quo. We play the kind of music that should have died years ago. My name is Ras Bolding.
Oh, in the army now. We're in the army now.
And...
I'm lagging.
Great Danish band, With a lot of synthesizers.
Yes, way too many synthesizers, as you will see, but actually around half of them are still back at home.
That's great. I'm looking forward to see you.
Thank you, and we are happy to be here.
Så vi pratar svensk. Mitt namn är Ras Bolding. Oh, and have a nice day.
The camera died. I don't think I really managed to show you the spirit of the night, but it was great, so just imagine it was twice as good as in the video. I'm going to meet up with some of the friends, some of the people that we have been organizing stuff with together today, and then I'm going to bed. Next morning, now the weather feels more like Gothenburg. This was a great way to celebrate the Swedish National Day, and well, thank you for watching. Rätten till sin identitet. The right to your identity. I think the name of the project describes what it is about, all by itself. There are so many kinds of identities that stand out and that are treated badly in one way or another. But this project focuses on discrimination due to subcultural identity. There are many ways to learn more about the very real issue and about the project. Why not check out the YouTube channel of the project, where bands and creators contribute to put focus on the issue in an artistic way. One of the contributions is by the band I'm in, Normoria, with the song The Right to Be Me. Especially if you're Swedish, a visit to the website is recommended, where you can find an anthology of stories from real life composited by the project and by its participants. Finally, I recommend the video Goth Subculture is Culture that I made a couple of months back, where I discussed the issue of discrimination of subcultures and the project. If you like this video, I tell you that I make one video each week and that the next one will also be on this subject. In other words, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do it, and I'll see you around in a week.